I find being a doctor incredibly rewarding because we get to help people every single day, especially with what I do in the practices of obstetrics and pediatric care. It's such a privilege to be part of that really special time in a family's life when they're welcoming new life. What really sustains me is that magical feeling that you get to be part of someone's birth story, whether it's 2 in the morning or 7 in the morning, whatever time of day it is. It just gives you renewed energy to be able to participate in that experience for a family's life. I chose Adams because I loved the idea of being in a small community setting, because I feel that the institution is able to really engage with their community and serve the community. To someone who would be comparing Adams to another hospital in a larger city, I would say to think about what they're really looking for with their birth experience and what's important to them. One of the perks to being in a smaller setting are that there are less interruptions and less distractions. When you're coming in to deliver your baby, you don't have to change rooms in the middle of the night. You can stay in that same room and enjoy that bonding time and have the same team, the same group of nurses, and it feels more like a family in that setting. I'm really passionate about obstetrics and newborn care, dyad care, so to speak. Dyad care refers to the mom and baby dyad. So when I think of care that I would deliver in the OB newborn clinic, from the point that mom is coming in for her initial prenatal visit, I'm thinking of them as a duo, as a pair. And so from the point that mom establishes through birth and then postpartum, we do all of those visits postpartum together for mom and baby, because it's very, very difficult to focus only on baby or only on mom and truly not think of them together because they are so intricately connected. Being bilingual in English and Spanish has helped me to better serve my patients, because with my Spanish-speaking patients, I don't need a formal interpreter. Oftentimes when we're using a phone interpreter, there are things that may not translate perfectly or cleanly, and without the added cultural context, you can lose a lot of the meaning behind it. It can also feel less personal when you're speaking to somebody through an interpreter, and so it's really a privilege to be able to speak to people directly and meet them where they're at in their preferred language.